Hello friends, welcome to Lido Drawing. Let's draw together. It is easy and fun. Grab your pencil and follow along. Every drawing starts with a simple step. Anyone can be an artist, including you. Anyone can draw this, even you. With a little practice, you'll be a pro. Pick up your pencil and draw with me. Follow along, and you'll see how easy it is. This is so easy, you can do it too. Just follow my steps, super simple. Just a few simple strokes, and you're done. Trust me, you can do this too. Let's draw together and have some fun. Let's draw together and make something amazing. Thanks for drawing with me. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.